Hey everyone, I'm Vicki and this is Space Creations, where I hope to inspire you every week to create the space that you love. Guess what? I finally got my last piece for my balcony and today I'm going to share it with you. I just received the Sunnersta, I believe that's what you call it, trolley, which will be a very nice addition to my balcony. It's going to help me entertain and serve my guests. For anybody who's in Ontario, this is the first day for step 3, which allows us to have indoor gatherings even though it's small. And guess what? I cannot wait to invite my friends over. So are you ready? Let's get started. I picked this baby up from a Penguin pickup center and let me tell you, it's a little heavy, but I managed to do it. It's about a 20-minute walk and I even got my upper body workout in it. So I'm so thrilled to share with you how we are going to put this together. If you're like me, I'm a hit and miss with Ikea, so we're going to do this together and see what happens and see how it's going to look at the end. Here we go. We're going to do the unboxing. Hate to do it, but it must be done.